Dear children, today we are going to see about a 4th standard maths, third term, and first unit is geometry. So in this geometry, we got iterative patterns in shapes. What do you mean by the iterative patterns? We are going to say iterative patterns. Iterative patterns in shapes. What do you mean by the iterative patterns? We see patterns in trees, rivers, mountains, shell, clouds, leaves and more. So many shapes are there. Trees பார்த்தா அது ஒரு shape இருக்கும், rivers and then mountains, shells, clouds, leaves, ஒவ்வொன்றும் ஒரு shapes. This what do you mean by the iteration? It is a repeated application of a process. So if this is a circle, இது வந்து circle சொல்லலாம். And this is the spiral. We can say this as a spiral. And this is the oval. So, circle, spiral, and oval. So, iterative pattern means it is the repeated application of a process. Or process repeat pandradha, that is iteration. So here we are going to see how we use the shapes to form and patterns. So in this, from the circle, we can draw a spiral and ovals. So you can see the circle is a bangle, spiral and the chocolates, candies. Then oval shape is an example for the egg. It's an oval shape. Okay. So here some of the patterns are there. Some more patterns in the here there is a circle. So small circle. And inside that some flower pattern we can put. Like this. So many patterns we can draw. So this is the patterns. So you can in the circle, in the end. So we can join, one join panni, we can draw a circle. So we can use the circles like this. Or else in candy, then a flower. So flower also will be like this. So these are the patterns. So how to draw this? We can draw the different shapes by using the sellotapes on the bottle caps. Sellotapes. Take a sheet of paper or a sheet of paper and keep the sellotape on it in a like this. You keep the sellotape and the paper sellotape. You take a bottle cap, water bottle cap, 3 holes you can put it. And in that holes, you can keep a pencil inside the hole. And then you keep it inside the sellotape. And the sellotape inside the bottle cap and the pencil on the edge, if you rotate it, you can get the spiral shape like this. Okay. So, you can take sellotape and then bottle cap also you will be having and pencil also you will be having. So on the sellotape you can keep it firmly on the paper and place the bottle cap inside it and put the pencil on the holes and slowly you can rotate it inside the sellotape. Slower rotate panna, we can get the spiral design like this. Okay. Now complete the pattern by using the given shapes. They are given the half of the pattern. Now you have to complete the pattern, the remaining half. Complete the pattern. Here your line half circle. So it is circle like this. Okay. Here oval. So now I did draw in the side like this. You have to draw here. So in the side I every shapes like that you have to draw, children. So this is called so you have to complete in the half complete panninga. This is the first one and the second one is semicircle. Now I think in the line putana. So like this you have to draw inside this circle. Okay, so இப்படி draw பண்ணலாம். Next, the third one is you have to complete the remaining portions. நீங்க வந்து same thing you have to draw like this. Here, then so in the side la neenga idhe mari இன்னொரு half you have to complete this. Okay, this is called the what? Complete the pattern by using the given shapes. Complete the pattern by using the given shape. So next half la ungaludaiya shape you can draw. Okay, and now the next one is to differentiate the and to compare the shapes drawn. So ஒரு shape draw பண்றீங்க இல்லையா, அந்த shape இந்த shape what is the comparison? So you can prepare the own pattern, children. Here we can put the own pattern. Say இப்படி draw பண்ணலாம், 1 then 2 then small 3 then again என்ன பண்ணுங்க, இத ரெண்டு draw பண்ணி இப்படி போடுங்க. ஓகேயா, then you can draw like this and then the center you can draw. So 3 lines you can draw, or else so திரும்பி இதே மாதிரி double shape. So any shape on your own you can draw like this. So this is the to differentiate the comparisons of the drawings. You can draw any shapes. Cactus. So cactus பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. Cactus is an example of oval shape. Cactus வந்து oval shape. How can you say that? சப்பாத்தி களி சொல்லுவாங்க. It's like this. இப்படி இருக்கும். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து thorns இருக்கும், அது சுற்றி thorns இருக்கும் இப்படி. That is known as the cactus. This will grow in the only the desert area. So this cactus is in the oval shape. நிறைய thorns இருக்கும். thornsனா முள். Okay, yeah. So this is the oval shape. Then shell of a snail. Snail பார்த்துப்பீங்க, நத்தையோட உடம்புல மேலே எப்படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it will be like this. So shell of a snail வந்து oval spiral. Shell of a snail is spiral. Then bangles, you can say the bangles is like a what? Some design will come under this. Bangle is a circle shape. So bangle is a circle shape. So we can see the examples. Sometimes when you are putting the rangoli also you can see. In the வீட்டு வாசல்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they can use the rangoli designs. There also you can see the spiral, everything you can draw. So நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா anything, okay. So this is your imagination only. இங்க இருக்கிறது தான் draw பண்ணணும் only. You can draw with your imagination. Then you take the circle, 2 circles. Anything you can draw. So like this on your own. Okay, so you can put the designs like this. So observe the patterns in the surroundings and fill the rangoli with colors, and you can use your creativity and write this in the rangoli in a chart paper or using the color paper or with the threads also. Next, exercise number 1 is here they are given the like the shape of the patterns present in the pictures given below. Here they are given the murukku, that eatable items. What is the shape of this one? This one is the spiral shape. Okay, it's because it's fully clumsy. So you can write exercise 1.1. So exercise number 1.1. So write the shapes. Write the shapes of the given picture. Shapes of the patterns. Write the shape of the patterns. So அவங்க வந்து இப்படி முறுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So this is the spiral. First picture is spiral, here they are given. And second one is the picture, what are the, write the shape of the patterns they are given. That is the circle. Second picture is some of the flowers they are given. So that is the circle. And complete the patterns given below. What are the patterns they are given? So that you have to complete. Okay, second one is complete the patterns. Second sum, complete the pattern. So in the end pattern here they given first one circle and spring mari kuduthirukanga, then again circle and circle. So in the rendu dash kuduthirukanga, so you have to put a circle and you can put like this. Okay, so when the shape kuduthirukanga like that, here or oval shape, then one circle, here one oval shape, two circle, then again oval shape, again oval shapes. How many circles? And two dash kuduthirukanga, so you put an oval shape and circle on the increasing order la irukradala 1 2 3 4, circle on the 1 2 3 4. Then third one, red dot. I'm not having the color chart, so just we can manage red green, red green, red green. எப்படி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ இந்த டேஷில் ஒரு ரெட்டு ஒரு க்ரீன். ஓகே, தென் அதே மாதிரி ஃபோர்த் ஒன் violet ஓவல், அப்புறம் எல்லோ கலர், violet எல்லோ, violet எல்லோ. ஸோ இந்த டேஷில் you can put the color violet and here you can put that yellow. Okay, so this is the complete the pattern that you are given in the picture. So what picture they are given, adukku edhu next ipo circle and spring, circle spring, circle spring. Appo in the dash la circle spring, and here oval shape one circle, oval shape two circle, oval shape three circle. Next dash la oval shape four circle. Then one green, red, green, red, green, red. So green and red. And here violet, yellow, violet, yellow, violet, yellow, and violet and yellow. So what color is not there, you can put it. And here the last one, draw a simple rangoli. So your mother might have known the rangoli, or any parents they might have known that mehendi design also. So draw a rangoli. So in the note la, and unga use active own idella creativity la, you can draw one rangoli and color it and fill it properly. Okay, and now next we'll move on to the next one, just the numbers. So this is a simple exercise that is about the iterative patterns. What is this? Iterative patterns. Iterative means iteration is a repeated process. Iteration is the application of repeated process. Repeated process. Okay, this is known as the iteration. So in this iteration you can draw the circle, spirals and oval. So we can see the so many patterns in trees, rivers, mountains, the shape of the trees, shape of the leaves, branches, and rivers also, and mountains, shells, different types of shells. Then clouds also sometimes we can see, then leaves like that. So in circle we can see the bangle, and the spiral we can see the where we can see in candies la spiral, sparkle and rangolis. And by using your pencil and paper and unused bottle cap and sellotape, you can use a spiral and you can complete the design, and you can put any rangoli designs. And cactus is the example for the oval shape, and snail is the example of the spiral shape, and bangle represents the circle shape. And here in this exercises they are given, so muruku, that is the spiral, and some of the circles and flowers they are given. So all the flowers, everything is in the circle shape. So you can write the circle and complete the patterns given below. How they are given the patterns, that you have to complete it with the next picture. அது என்ன இருக்குதோ அதை complete பண்ணுங்க. Okay, and now the next one we are going to see about the numbers. So in this numbers we are going to see about the division only. So these divisions la vandu there are many ways to give the numbers. What are the ways? Equal sharing, equal grouping, repeated subtraction, long division and short division. So இந்த டிவிஷன்லேயே உங்களுக்கு எத்தனை இருக்குன்னா 5 இருக்குது. ஈக்குவல் ஷேரிங், இப்போ டிவிஷன்னாலே ஷேர் பண்ணுறது தான். ஸோ ஈக்குவல் ஷேரிங், ஈக்குவல் குரூப்பிங், ஈச் குரூப் எவ்வளோ இருக்குதோ அதை ஈக்குவலாக பிரித்து குரூப்பாக கொடுக்குறது. தென் ரிப்பீட்டட் சப்ராக்ஷன் தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து டிவிஷன் சொல்கிறோம். லாங் டிவிஷன் மெத்தட் இஸ் த, ஷார்ட் டிவிஷன் மெத்தட் இஸ் த. ஸோ ஆல் திஸ் we are going to see. Okay, all this division you are going to see this in the next class, children. Thank you.